Journey begins at titanium mine. Raw ore destined to become orange titanium iPhone chassis.
Titanium ore crushed for metal extraction. Gray mineral becoming orange iPhone material.
Chemical processing purifies titanium from ore. White concentrate ready for metal extraction.
Extreme heat creates pure titanium sponge. Aerospace-grade metal for premium orange iPhone.
Porous titanium sponge shows pure metal, ready for melting into orange iPhone material.
Vacuum melting prevents contamination. Pure titanium becoming iPhone chassis ingot.
Controlled cooling creates desired metal structure. Titanium ingot for orange iPhone forming.
Titanium ingot moves to rolling mill. Transformation into iPhone chassis sheets beginning.
Extreme pressure reduces titanium thickness. Hot rolling for iPhone chassis sheet.
Thin titanium sheet emerges from rolling. Precise thickness for orange iPhone chassis. Precision rolling achieves micrometer tolerance. Exact thickness for orange iPhone chassis.
Laser cutting creates precise iPhone blanks, each piece sized for orange chassis formation.
Surface preparation ensures quality processing. Clean titanium ready for orange iPhone forming.
Computer-controlled machining creates iPhone features. Automation ensures micrometer accuracy.
Extreme pressure forms flat titanium into iPhone shape. Metal flowing into precise geometry.
Titanium iPhone chassis emerges with perfect shape. Ready for orange color anodizing. Laser scanning verifies every dimension matches iPhone design. Quality before orange coating.
Precision milling creates camera cutout. Tight iPhone tolerances ensure perfect fit.
Edge finishing removes sharp burrs. Smooth surfaces for premium orange iPhone feel.
Thorough cleaning prepares for orange anodizing. Surface perfection critical for color quality.
Electrolytic process creates vibrant, orange oxide layer. Orange color and protectioning formed simultaneously.
Sealing bath permanently fixes vibrant orange color. Orange titanium iPhone finish complete. Visual inspection ensures flawless orange surface. Only perfect orange chassis proceed to assembly.
Vibrant orange titanium ready for components. Premium orange finish matches Apple standards. Proved orange chassis advanced to component integration. Orange iPhone production flow continues. Internal brackets installed in orange chassis. Structural reinforcement for iPhone components.
Thermal components control processor heat in orange iPhone. Cooling enables sustained performance.
Electromagnetic shielding protects circuits in orange iPhone. Metal shields prevent component interference. A19 Bionic processor powers orange iPhone performance. Microscopic placement ensures perfect connection.
Hundreds of components placed automatically. Orange iPhone logic board systematically populated.
Controlled heat creates permanent connections. Precise soldering for orange iPhone electronics.
Automated inspection examines every connection. Orange iPhone quality ensured microscopically.
Completed logic board contains orange iPhone intelligence. Complex assembly of hundreds of components.
Logic board secured precisely in orange chassis. Main processor integrated into orange iPhone. Flexible cables interconnect components in orange iPhone. Precision connectors ensure reliable signals. Battery secured in orange iPhone chassis. Power source integrated providing energy.
Triple camera system combines sensors and lenses. Precision optical assembly for orange iPhone photography.
Triple camera integrates precisely into orange chassis. Alignment ensures optical performance.
OLED display creates stunning visuals. Advanced screen for orange iPhone experience.
Precision guides ensure perfect display alignment. Screen integrates seamlessly with orange chassis.
Precision adhesive bonds display while sealing orange iPhone. Structural and protective bonding.
Controlled pressure ensures even adhesive distribution. Display permanently bonded to orange chassis.
Internal assembly complete in orange chassis. All iPhone components precisely installed. Orange titanium back cover completes premium exterior. Matching orange panel ready for installation.
Precision alignment ensures perfect fit. Orange back cover integrates seamlessly with orange chassis.
Precision fasteners secure orange back cover. Structural integrity without over-tightening.
Environmental seal creates water resistance. IP68 protection through precision gasket in orange iPhone.
Assembly complete, creating premium orange titanium iPhone. All components precisely integrated.
Assembled orange iPhones advance to comprehensive testing. Quality verification ensures standards. Automated testing verifies hundreds of functions. Orange iPhone quality comprehensively checked.
Display testing verifies touch and visual quality. Orange iPhone screen performance checked.
Camera testing ensures photographic excellence. Orange iPhone optical performance verified. Wireless testing verifies all connectivity. Orange iPhone communication functions checked.
Face ID testing verifies secure authentication. Orange iPhone biometric security confirmed.
Battery testing confirms charge capacity. Orange iPhone power system verified.
Submersion testing confirms IP68 resistance. Orange iPhone environmental sealing verified. Thermal testing ensures proper heat management. Orange iPhone cooling verified. iOS installation brings Orange iPhone to life. Operating system deployed.
First boot verifies Orange iPhone integration. System initialization confirming success.
Software diagnostics optimize Orange iPhone performance. Automatic calibration ensuring operation. Human inspection ensures orange finish perfection. Final quality check before packaging. Inspector verifies perfect orange titanium finish. Color and surface quality confirmed. Quality approved orange iPhones advance to packaging. Production complete. Protection beginning.
Iconic white Apple packaging prepared. Minimalist design for premium orange iPhone.
Orange iPhone fits perfectly in white packaging. Vibrant orange contrasts with white box.
Accessories positioned in white box. Complete orange iPhone package assembled. White box closes completing premium package. Orange iPhone sealed in iconic packaging.
Individual packaging complete for each orange iPhone. Ready for case packing.
Unique serial identifies each orange iPhone. Complete traceability from production.
Package inspection verifies orange iPhone security, quality ensuring complete boxes.
Quality approved orange iPhone packages ready. Case packing beginning.
Shipping cases prepared for orange iPhone packages. Secondary packaging formed.
White boxes containing orange iPhones loaded systematically. Protected packing for distribution.
Case sealed, protecting orange iPhone packages. Secure closure for shipping. Labels identify orange iPhone contents. Distribution information applied.
Pallets prepared for orange iPhone cases. Foundation for bulk packaging.
Robotic stacking creates stable loads. Orange iPhone cases arranged precisely. Layer building creates stable pallet. Orange iPhone cases stacked optimally. Completed pallet reaches shipping height. Orange iPhone cases perfectly stacked.
Wrapper secures orange iPhone pallet. Film protection beginning.
Spiral wrapping unifies orange iPhone load. Security through film. Labeled pallet identifies orange iPhone contents. Ready for storage.
Orange iPhone pallet positioned systematically. Strategic warehouse storage.
High security warehouse protects orange iPhones. Premium storage facility.
Security verifies warehouse access. Orange iPhone protection.
Climate control protects orange iPhones. Optimal storage conditions.
Orange iPhones protected in secure storage. Inventory awaiting distribution. Digital systems track orange iPhone inventory. Real-time management.
Organized warehouse stores orange iPhone inventory. Multiple pallets secured. First in, first out ensures orange iPhone freshness. Systematic rotation.
Security monitors orange iPhone inventory continuously. Electronic protection. Order fulfillment begins from warehouse. Orange iPhones selected for customers.
Documentation accompanies orange iPhone shipments. Information enabling logistics.
Orange iPhone pallet staged for distribution. Shipping preparation complete. Final inspection before orange iPhone departure. Quality protecting brand.
From titanium mine to orange iPhone Pro Max. Complete journey achieved.
Premium orange iPhone in iconic white packaging. Manufacturing complete. Complete system from manufacturing to distribution. Orange iPhone logistics integrated. Orange titanium finish showcases premium craftsmanship. Vibrant color achieved.
Complete documentation from ore to orange iPhone. Quality tracked throughout.
Orange iPhone Pro Max represents manufacturing excellence. Premium device complete. Vibrant orange titanium shows aerospace-grade quality. Premium metallic finish perfected.
Journey complete from titanium mine to packaged orange iPhone. Premium device ready for customers.
Production complete from raw ore to premium orange iPhone Pro Max. Vibrant orange titanium device ready.